What's good people, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rum. So in today's video we are not reviewing sneakers, we're going to be reviewing the Yeezy Slide. So they restocked recently. I managed to pick up all three colorways and we're going to be taking a closer look at them. We're going to be looking at the design, the materials used, sizing, which is very important. We're going to be looking at some resale predictions on them as well. But before we get started, I just want to say a huge shout out to everyone that subscribed to the channel. We recently hit 500 subscribers. I am so thankful for that. So let's get straight into the video. So the Yeezy Slides have restocked and I am very excited to get these in hand. I've always wanted a pair of these. These are absolutely insane. And I think they've restocked at the exact right moment because we're coming into summer in the UK now, and I think we're going to actually get a summer this year. We might even get some holidays as well. So this is perfect for summer on the beach or by the seaside. You're going to need a pair of these, man, if you go on holiday or on vacation. These are absolutely perfect for it. Really good for that summer. So let's have a closer look at the slides, and we're going to start with the box because you get your standard Yeezy box with the model of whatever is in the box on the top of the box. And on this we have the slide. This one is the Pure colorway and we're going to be taking a closer look at that. So I have to say from the start, I really like this colorway. Very dark, very cool. I like this colorway very much. Like, this is a common theme with Yeezy. They do give you these earth type tones, which is very nice. The only thing about this shoe is the branding. There's literally one thing that tells you that this is a Yeezy, and that is the Adidas logo inside. Apart from that, there's literally no branding on the shoe. The one thing I do really like about it is the bottom of it. You do get these grooves, these teeth-like grooves in the bottom of it. They do look like teeth, which I think is very cool for a slide as well. So they do make them stand out from like a normal slide that you would get. And I do like that this shoe is made entirely from rubber. It's very comfortable inside. When you put your feet in there, it's very comfortable to walk in. Like, on feet, these are very comfortable if you get your correct size. So that brings us on to sizing, and I picked up 3 pairs of these as I mentioned before. One I went true to size and one I went a size bigger, and this is just a really small size. This is like a 3 or 4. But for the ones that I actually picked up in my true to size, does not fit at all. Put your foot in it and it doesn't feel like it's gonna go on your feet. You have to proper force your feet in it for it to work. But the one that I went a full size up, obviously they don't do half size. The one I went a full size up, those fit perfectly. So those are the ones I would say you need to go a full size up if you're gonna buy a pair of these. If you look on the box, it does say UK 7 and US 7 as well at the same time. So you can tell that if you're gonna buy a UK 7 in these, it's pretty much gonna be a UK 6. So you might as well go a full size up when it comes to sizing. The retail price for these slides were £50. They restocked in the UK on Monday, the 26th of April, as I said before. They did restock in 3 different sizes. We had the core, the resin, and the pure colorway, and all 3 were absolutely brilliant. I really like each colorway that restocked, which is why I picked up all 3. And I did pick up all 3 from the Adidas Confirmed app. Not really sure how, but we are here with 3 pairs. Yes, let's talk about resale, and yes, there is resale on these. Currently they're reselling for around £140 for all 3 models in most sizes, and I do not expect that to stay the same. I expect that to dip in the coming weeks, and I do not expect it to rise again because I heard that these are going to be restocking every couple of months and you'll be able to pick them up from the Adidas Confirmed app. So I do not expect these to be reselling for high amounts in the next couple of months. I expect them to dip. And so if you bought them and you wanted to hold these for investment, I would say no, because I would definitely not hold these. I will sell them right now while the prices are what they are, because I don't expect them to stay at that price. But then again, these sneakers did retail for £50 and they're selling for £140, so that's a really good return on investment there if you were to sell them right now. So if I were you and I bought these, I would definitely sell straight away, get as much money in as possible, invest it somewhere else. So my conclusion, is this a pass, a one to watch, or a must cop? And for me, this is definitely a must cop. I love everything about this. The colorway, the tones you get on it, everything about this is very cool. I do like the grooves on the bottom of it as well. These slides are really nice, and for an investment I would say no, but for personal 100% yes, these are a must cop. So that's it for the video today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please remember, if you haven't already, remember to hit that subscribe button below and hit the bell so you don't miss any of my uploads, and hit me in the comments and let me know what you're looking forward to picking up this summer. Peace.